In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge GitHub accounts. Whether you're consolidating your projects for easier management or simply looking to streamline your workflow, merging two GitHub accounts can be quite beneficial. We'll walk through the entire process so you can successfully transfer all your repositories to one account in just a few minutes. First things first, open up your web browser. You'll want to use a reliable browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari to ensure smooth sailing through this process. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in GitHub. From the search results, click on GitHub's official site to access the login page. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your GitHub credentials for the account, which holds the repositories you wish to transfer. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard with all your repositories listed. Now, carefully select the repository you want to move by clicking on its name. This will take you into the repository's specific page. Next, look for the Settings tab, which you can find at the upper side of the repository page. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to scroll down until you locate the Danger Zone section. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. This is simply where GitHub puts more drastic actions like deletions and transfers to ensure you're fully aware of what you're about to do. Once you find the Danger Zone, you'll see an option for Transfer Ownership. Click on that link. Here, GitHub will ask you to enter the username of the target account, which is the account you want to consolidate everything into. Type in the correct username and ensure that you've selected the right target account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After entering the username, GitHub will prompt you to confirm this transfer by retyping the repository name and acknowledging that you understand the implications. Go ahead and complete this confirmation. Remember that you'll need to repeat this process for each and every repository you want to transfer to your target account. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it ensures that you're fully aware of every transfer that you make, minimizing the risk of unwanted changes or mistakes. Once you've transferred all the repositories you want, your data will now live under the new account, effectively merging your two accounts into one unified space. It's as simple as that. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined experience with everything you need conveniently located in a single account. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!